Look closely at SK and you'll see a global company with a record of job creation and community investment across the U.S. In California, SK Hynix is a leader in memory-based technologies. In Georgia, SK Innovation is building an electric vehicle battery plant that will create thousands of jobs. And in New Jersey, SK Life Sciences pursues breakthroughs in medications for people with central nervous system disorders. SK is investing billions of dollars across more than 10 states, from semiconductor materials in Michigan to renewable energy in New York and California. These businesses are the backbone of a better tomorrow and a symbol of our confidence in the U.S. economy. This is our commitment to shared prosperity. This is today's SK.